In this video, I'll show you how to edit bio information in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this over to your Facebook account, right? So I want to edit my bio information, right? So right now, what's on my bio is great is entrepreneur, right? So if I want to edit it to creator, I'll click on this edit bio, right? Once that's loaded up, I'm gonna just come on here. I can just type in creator, right? So I'm gonna just click on the save. And yeah, right now you can see I just edited my bio information right here in Facebook, right? So you can see it was currently entrepreneur and it's now currently creator. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so this is the creator right now. This is basically how you can edit bio information in Facebook. If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.